Like some doctors are there, they help a lot of people, of course help themselves, Kshatriya. But some doctors are there, if you can't pay the money, remove that much of medicine and go. Some engineers are like that, some teachers are like that, every profession. Whether it's a doctor, engineer, sadhus, gurus, everybody. Please understand, some people study Upanishads. Understand it is. Some people study Upanishads. Vedas they study. What do? Open schools for what? Making a living out of it. 20 students, each one give 20 rupees, 30 rupees or 100 rupees. I am very happy, comfortable. Vaishya. That fellow is a Vaishya. Is he selling Vedic knowledge, Atma Vidya, self-knowledge, tricks? You don't call him a Brahmana. Why? Brahma janaditi Brahmana. But some people will be doing it for others' sake. They are Kshatriya gurus. You can say that. Selling the Vedas, selling the Upanishads for his sake. Are you getting that point, please? Please appreciate. So, Janmana jayate Shudra, Upanayana Dvija, Vedadhyayi bhaved Vipra. Vedadhyayi bhaved Vipra. One who studies Vedas become Vipra. Brahma janaditi Brahmana. One who knows the Brahman himself, the truth all pervasive, that person becomes a Brahmana. Are you getting that point? Brahmana. Please see. Where is that concept? It's all gone. So slowly, every individual must start with ignorance, being a Shudra, and ultimately end as the Brahmana. Brahma janati, Brahmana, knowing himself. When you know yourself, Brahman. And therefore in that, when you recognize it, jati niti kula gotra duragam nama rupa guna dosa varjitam. In that level, suddenly jati, niti, kula, gotra, rupa, guna, dosha, everything goes away. No divisions of any kind. Everybody is one and the same. One awareness. Ultimate socialism. Ultimate communism, if you want to say oneness, you want to bring it. Ultimate. Call it communism, socialism. Call it ultimate oneness, equality of the mankind. Fraternity, equality. What fraternity? Equality, only one. There is no you want me to be fraternal. There is only one absolute. All of us are same. And therefore fraternity, okay. I am as much wonderful as you are. So beautiful. Brahmana. That was the purpose of the Shastra. Svabhava prabhava yunai. So, sattva pradhana, being one with yourself, but functional. Rajo upasajana, little bit. Active for helping others, keeping yourself alive. Rajasic person, very rajasic, very active, but sattva upasajana, for others' sake, leadership quality, kshatriya. Very active for his sake, Vaishya. Very active only for food and procreation, body orientation. Such a person is Shudra. Are you getting that point, please? So these four things, are they four different people? Or in one person all the four can exist? Are you getting that? All the four exist in one person. That is why, listen carefully. That is why, if you see, some people, those who like to give a sanction to the caste system, they shall quote Purusha Suktam. See, Bhagavan says, Brahmano syamukhamasid bahu rajanya krutah uru tadasyayad vaishyah padvyagam sudro jayata. From the mouth of the God, listen carefully, from the mouth of the God comes the Brahmana. From his hands comes the Kshatriya. From the thighs comes the Vaishya, from the leg comes the Shudras. Long before you get into anything, that one form or they are different. The leg is his. Head also, head is God. Hand also, God. Thighs also, God. Leg also, God. In his body, which part is more godly than the other part? In your body, which part is more you than the other part? Everywhere you exist or only in the brain, only in the head, mouth? That is why disastrous. Even if so much mission, Brahmana Bhojana Priya. So, in order to be a Brahmana, now you show your likeness for food, right? Brahmana Bhojana Priya. Bhojana Priya Brahmana is a person who likes food, is a Brahmana. You understand the dangerous statements that has gone into the system? So, Brahmana Bhojan must be given. And who is a Brahmana to whom you should feed? One is the absolute. Why? When you feed him, the whole universe eats with him. Not the fellow whose entire Brahmanda is in his stomach. Think. No, you understand the thing. What a tradition, where it has gone. So, in Ishvara, if you give it a particular form, Brahmanavasya Mukamasit Bahurajanya, that means the person is thinking, Sattva Upasarjana. Thinker, thinking person. A Brahmana is not a thinker. Anybody who thinks and thinks in terms of absolute. Brahmana. Kshatriya is protecting. Bahu, Vala, Virya, Saurya. Strength is there for protecting others. Not only himself, but also others. He can protect himself, he can give life for others. Such a person is Kshatriya. Vaishya is from thigh, sit down. All business for whom? His sake. Bas. Only for his self. Vaishya. Padvyagam Sudra Jayata. So, one which is just acting, activities, meaning that cannot think anything other than himself, total body orientation, sustenance and procreation, like a Shudra. Now, in his body, which part is God? Everything. Everything is God. And again, as I told you one time, when you respect a person, you touch the head or the foot. You come to the class, Swamiji, good morning. Touch the head, Good Namaskar. Namaskar, right? No, what do? Touch the foot. Fathers, mother, elders, touch the feet. So, everybody touching Shudra, no. If you say that. So it is not four different people. Are you getting that point? In one person, Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Shudra. All are there. So when you are Sattva Pradhanatama Upasajjana, when you are very active, contemplative, all with yourself, you are a Brahmana. Very active for others' sake, you are a Kshatriya. Very active for your sake, Vaishya. When you are dull, stupid, selfish, you are a Shudra. Durvasa, great Rishi. When you are angry, Shudra.